What's up guys, Cliff from the Sunday Drive and TST Motorsports. Today we're going to be showing you how to change the spark plugs on your S58 powered vehicle. So welcome back to the channel guys. We are working on Mr. Squeeze's brand new G87 M2, getting it ready for a track day at NJMP. So we're doing a lot of mods to make 750 wheel horsepower, as well as a lot of aesthetic upgrades to the vehicle and track prep. So be sure to check all those videos out on the channel. As you can see, we are doing a brake bleed right now in the background while we're doing the spark plug. And we also have the DME out, getting Femto unlocked currently. So a lot of things happening. Really excited. Be sure to check out the full vlog on Mr. Squeeze's page. But today we're going to be showing you how to change out the spark plugs so that they're properly gapped and ready for tuning. Remove the upper portion of your strut brace. It's held by 4 15mm nuts. You do want to be careful when you reinstall these. I've seen so many of these studs ruined because shops have impacted the nuts on. So really make sure you're taking these down properly. Take off the engine cover. There are 4 grommets, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just pop them one at a time to make sure you don't break anything and apply force right where the grommet is. This will be the last time this engine bay is looking this stock. We have some Eventuri intakes that are coming in, hopefully a new strut brace as well. So be sure to watch those videos at the link above or down in the description once they are up. But here are all of our coil packs, all 6 of them, nice and readily accessible. They are held in by E8 Torx. Break them all free by hand. You're going to want to remove this bracket. It's held in by a couple E6s. And then it's also clipped in with a little rubber grommet right back here. So just pick up on that. We're going to disconnect this electrical connection right here and from your high pressure fuel pump. Always make sure you have your battery disconnected. We obviously do because we have the DME pulled. That's located in the trunk of the vehicle. Pull these 2 wires out of this grommet right here, or clip, just to give you a little more slack. All right. If you want to, you can disconnect your O2 sensors as well. They're right here. Little time-saving hint, you can leave your coil packs actually connected and just push them up out of the way. All right, there we go. Now we have access to all 6 of our spark plugs. Now you need a 14mm spark plug socket. I'm gonna break all these free. There you go, got the 6 plugs out. Now we're running the OEM 96206 spark plug. We have them gapped in this case to 0.022, but every tuner has their preference for what they want their gap to be. So make sure to check with your tuner or OTS software company to make sure that you are gapped appropriately. The tuner that we're working with in this case is, and he prefers this 0.022 gap on the OE plug for the tune that we're doing. Always start these by hand. If you need to know how to gap your spark plugs, you can watch our video at the link above where we go through several different options for gapping your plugs. Now torque each of your spark plugs down to spec. If you don't usually use torque wrenches, you want to make sure that you ease into that torque spec. As you can see, we did not tighten these at all with the electric ratchet. This is starting to engage right around 7 Newton meters. But if you go too quickly into the torque, you can overshoot it and put more torque on the bolt, or in this case spark plug, than you mean to. Also, if you start and restart doing a torque spec, you can get false readings because you have to overcome that static force. Now I like to go back through just one time to make sure that we didn't miss anything. If you're a tiny bit over, that is going to be okay. Definitely don't want to have a spark plug shooting out of your head because you forgot to torque it down. You also don't want to over tighten them because a broken off spark plug is not a fun day either. Coil packs are now ready to go back in. Make sure you fully seat them down all the way. and torque them down to spec. Reconnect your electrical connections and put everything back in place here. And now we can get this harness reinstalled at the back. So there you go, guys. That is the spark plug change on this G87 M2 complete. This applies to the G80, G83, G81 if you live in Europe, any S58 powered vehicle in the G series. The F97 with the S58 is a little bit different, but the process is mostly the same. If you guys have any comments or questions, be sure to leave them down below. Make sure to go check out Mr. Squeeze's video and hit that subscribe so you can see all of the content that's coming out, all the DIYs on this G87. There's gonna be a lot more happening to this, not just for this first track section, but for many mods in the future. We look forward to seeing you back here in the next video.